This is our problem, and right now what we're going to do is solve in vertical. Vertical is a standard algorithm. We're going to be talking about the different units and what they make. First off, each unit is named. This is our ones place. That's the units that we could count up on ones for. Next is our tens spot, and then we have our hundreds place. So this number is a 3-digit number, and it has hundreds, tens, and ones. Now I'm going to go ahead and look in our ones place. We look in the smallest units first to see if we need to bundle and make a 10. So now we have 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. So when we write 11, we don't just put 11 in the chart. We put our 1 in 11 and our other 1 in our new 10 spot. Because 11 has 1 10 and 1 1. So right here, 11 is still in our chart, but it's separated in its like units. Now we're going to add in our 10 spot. My strategy, just so I never forget that new 10, is to circle and say that the number is in that circle, they're in it together. So now we're saying 6 plus 1, which is 7. So we're going to say 7 in the circle plus 5 tens. 70 plus 50. Let's put 7 in our head and count up 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We just made a new unit. Okay, we can't write the number 12 in this spot. So I'm going to write the number 2, and then I'm going to write the number 1 in my new 100 spot. As you can see, the number 12 is still there. The number 11 is still there. You're just writing it in another spot to give it room. It can't fit in there anymore. And again, for this strategy, I'm going to circle my units so that I don't make a mistake. And inside of this circle, how much do we have now? Well, 3 plus 1 is 4. So right now we have 400 plus 1 more 100. 400 plus 100 is 500. So this answer is 521. Now we're going to work on this problem together. So there are going to be parts where it's going to pause and ask you a question. Then you just have to respond to let me know that you have the right answer. Let's look in our ones place first. Let's count our 4 plus 2 ones. 4, 5, 6. So now we have 6 ones in our ones place. Next, we're going to add our tens. Right now we have 9 tens plus 1 10. And I already know 9 plus 1 makes a 10. But what's special about this is it's in the 10 spot. So 90 plus 1 10. 90 plus 10 equals 100. So right now, I'm going to write 9 plus 1, 0, and my new 10 right next to that number. And I'm going to circle it so that they stay together. Now, I want to say what's in the circle. What's in the circle? You're right, it's the digits 2. So right now, we're going to have the number 2 plus 100. 200 plus 100 is 300. So this answer is 306. The strategy is to always remember your like units and know that you can't fit a 2-digit number in one spot. You have to spread it out like here and like here.